Miller sitting up here for about 3 hours giving you death by PowerPoint. We're not going to do that. We also want to center this conversation around our spouses as well, because when the veteran dies, there is compensation benefits for the spouse as well. So we want to ensure that the spouse understands what they have to do once the veteran dies. So the title of my presentation today is Veterans Compensation Benefits.
That's what he was saying about the record of, for you to pull up to take to the
In addition, we go to VA on the impression that VA has everything for you, and they're going to do all the things. They're not going to do anything until you have proof of it. For example, many of us have served in the service and don't even have a medical authorization card to go out to the VA hospital. You should have it whether you use it or not, and you should maintain records of even your private doctors. And if you're not able to speak up for yourself, you need to carry that wire who do more talking than you do.